Alright, so I got these new stainless steel rock guard protectors for the Jeep. They didn't come with the directions. They got new hardware for the ones that go over the headlights. The screws that were originally in the turn signals, they were too short. So what I had to do was I had to get a little bit longer ones with some washers and change them out. I put LED bulbs in there. I have LED headlights coming. I got these LED spotlights. I'm waiting for the switch box to come so I can control them all. So I'm going to do this one next. Like I said, it's not that hard. Just got to remove the old ones. I did clear coat these though, because I'm not sure. They say stainless steel. They weren't expensive, but I figured, you know, I'll clear coat them and help keep it from getting discolored or stuff like that. Longer than probably really it would naturally. So can't hurt. Have some extra clear coat laying around. Painted them and go from there. All right, I'll keep you informed when they're done, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Whoop. All right, so I got these new rock guards. I put in with new LED lights in the front turn signals. I got these 70 and 60 watt LED spotlights. I'm waiting for the control panel to come so I can put the light bar and all these on one control. Actually, it controls the 8 gallon box, and I did that. So I got these rock guard stainless steel mesh covers off of Amazon. I think they're like 30 bucks. Supposed to be stainless steel, so I got them. I figured why not. I did clear coat them though, because I'm not sure how long they'll last without getting rusty or discolored. So I put a coat of clear coat on them. It didn't come with directions. They didn't come with anything really. So what I did was I kind of looked through the internet. I found pictures of how they had them installed. One thing is though, the screws that are in the factory lights are too short. So I got longer ones, and when I had to replace them with that with a washer behind it. Not bad, looks pretty good. I put LED bulbs inside the turn signals, and we'll go from there. I'll let you see what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, so there I go. I got the front ones on. Doesn't look too bad. I said they're clear coated. I had to change out the screws, make better ones. So I'll do the headlights and show you that next. Alright, here's the front done. The brackets are a little confusing, but I got them in there. There's a couple different ways you can put them. You have to space them right. I did polish the rings and polish behind, get the dirt out of there. I did the same thing for the turn signals. Alright, I'm gonna do the back and I'll let you see what it looks like. Alright, so I got them all on. You can see the bright LED turn signal bulbs. I also painted the intake snorkel. I did that stuff a while ago. Put new hinges on it. Some red hose wrap. Doesn't look too bad. Let me turn the lights off here real quick. Here's the back. Again, it looks pretty good. The only issue is, like, it doesn't have its directions, and you kind of have to figure out which way it goes. What I figured was the weld mark in the bottom where it came together would be the bottom. We wouldn't see it at the top. So I had to put washers behind everything. Otherwise the screws would have went right through. So that's that. It looks pretty good. It's a 06. I think I just hit 50,000 miles on it. And then there's the front ones. And those. And those and those. I'm waiting for that to come with the switch control. Switch panel. But alright, man, thanks for watching my videos, and hope everybody stays safe.